Hello everyone, I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Today I will be reviewing another EA. It is called Atalanta Mt4. I know it has been quite some time since my last video. I have been quite busy, so my schedule has become more or less available, but however, no matter what, I will always be with you and making videos and reviews. So for this EA, Atalanta Mt4, the strategy behind it is called sentiment trading. This is not a new method of trading. It is an old, actually many people are or professional trader are using this method. So sentiment trading, it is not a new method. Basically it has been used by professional trader for more than a decade, and it basically some broker are sharing their retail trading. For example, they will say that our trader 50% are selling or short and 50% are long, so they will basically share their data on a website, I believe. So this is the whole idea. What this EI does, basically it will analyze this information and it will buy or sell according to the sentiment trading. So it will work on this pair 1 hour time frame. You can use any broker. EA does not use martingale or any grade type. Each trade is protected by stop loss, TP, minimum deposit 200, but he recommend 1000, but you can use 200 as well. So for Atalanta trading overview, we can see it is new EA, and this one said that signal how other traders feel about specific trading condition. As I said before, it is a collective idea of trader. This will see and analyze what are the trader overview on a specific pair, and then this EA will get an edge over what to buy and sell by using sentiment trading. And strategy require more than technical indicator. It's not relying on indicator alone. So this is the EA, which is good. To be honest, we have some live results, so we will be able to analyze the data that we have. So right now we know that main feature for this EA, it does not use grid or martingale, standard TP, stop loss ratio, and you can see advanced Fibonacci or strategy. So this is very important strategy. I believe it is 61 point something like that. It is like magical number, and this is full automated trading EA. You don't need anything manual, only to manage your risk. And you can see, I'm not sure if he actually have backtest. So we can see for 4 years of backtest on Odd New Zealand, 3000 USD. We can actually see it is quite amazing. We have some drawdowns, but overall the drawdown is only 20. I think it will not be 3%. It probably might be over 20% for any EA, no matter how good it is, because backtest does not reflect the live result or live market. So for the live result of Atalanta, we have he is using on Forex ECN 47% profit, 10% drawdown only, and the profit factor is a little bit less than 50%, and losing trade is 53%, but he managed to make profit overall. So this is quite impressive, but let us see why the profit factor is lower. So the average holding time is 2 days. That is a little bit long. If you are a lover of swing trading, or you have the patience to wait for 2 or maybe 3 days for any trade, so this EA is good for you. But if you are impatient or you cannot wait 2 days, this might not be good EA for you. So for the November, he made 70%, amazing. December 1, January of this year 11.3, March -2, April right now is 8%. And to be honest, some of the EA that are swing usually will have this type of data. They will be similar. So you have drawdown, you have you can see sometimes it will be 10 and 20, but the drawdown is quite good. He managed to keep it below 10%, but we have here this might be an issue. So the stop loss might be larger than take profit. This is a technique that some EA are using, which to be honest is not quite effective. So for the trading, you can see actually we have a stop loss that is good. We have, so the reason why profit factor is lower than losing factor or losing trade, because we have higher risk to reward ratio. So whenever he loses 40 USD, he will win 100 or over more. So whenever he use 1, he will make 2 or maybe 1.5. So that's why it will decrease the accuracy little bit, and we can see there are some streak of stop loss. This happened, so that will cause drawdown. You see all the stop loss. That is a possibility, but yet he is making profit nonetheless. So for 222 trades, the accuracy is only 46%, so it is not bad, but you can see the best trade or the average winning trade is better. You can see the average profit is 70 USD, while when he lose usually it will be 40 USD. So this is not a bad thing. It is quite impressive, but this EI usually will survive for long term, but the profit will not be as satisfying. So what we can improve, what we can do to improve this EI, you can see Great British Pound CHF. This is one of the worst pair for this EI. So what I will do, I will remove this one, and I will remove maybe this one as well, old New Zealand, and you can see the trading will be improved dramatically. So that's what you have to think out of box. Usually you will get an EA, but you will see, ask yourself, how do I improve it? You can see this pair is causing loss, so you have to cut it, at least for now, and this one as well, and you can see you will have more profit. So that will be my recommendation. By equity, we have 3%. That means each trade is protected by stop loss. That's very good. We don't have long stop loss in this case. So let us have an overview for MT4. As you can see, we have the latest version of Atalanta Mt4, and it is 2.69. I hope that is the latest, I believe. And here what you will do for the symbol, if I am going to use this EI, to be honest, I will remove this one, old New Zealand, because that is causing a lot of trouble, and this one as well. These are good EIs that are proven over time. For symbol, suffix and prefix, if you have any suffix here or prefix, this will be prefix, this will be suffix, you can just enter it here. So for my case, I will enter there, and for a SIG trading I will make it 1%, no problem. Otherwise you can leave everything in default. I don't want to change anything, and click on OK. It will trade all other pairs. So the EA is quite easy, simple. My overall for this EA, the advantage, we have live result, and the EA actually is using new method, modern method, sentiment trading, which is proven to be profitable over time. And it's quite amazing that this EA is able to provide monthly profit. This will be probably an advantage, but on the other side, disadvantage, the accuracy is a little bit low, and the average holding time is quite too much for me. But for you, if you can manage to be patient, this will be good EA for you. So I believe right now the star or the rating for this EA will be 3.7 out of 5. I think this will be the fair rating for this EA, and we will see what will happen in the future, because we have some EAs many times. You will see an amazing EA, live result for 2 months is good, amazing, and suddenly it will go just like that. So it will be like Fugazi. You know what is the movie from Wall Street? It is like Fuzi, Fugazi, or whatever that is. So we don't know what will happen. And sometimes you have an EI like this, which is underrated, like underdog, and it will be like going forever. So you never know. My own opinion, I think it's worth a try. I might be used it as well, because I like to have different to diversify my investment. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.